Hi everybody, my name is Nathan Wheeler. I'm at the ADI booth, ADI Snap One booth at InfoComm 2025, showcasing our rAVe solutions. This is our educational section. We have a Samsung touch display flanked by two Electro-Voice column speakers. We have an Atlas IED speaker with a clock in it used in educational situations. Over here we have a tracking camera. Down here we have camera accessories, including extenders, switchers, and USB products. On this wall, this is our education wall. We have a Samsung 146 4K LED wall, flanked by two Atlas IED Dante speakers. It's being powered by a QSys control system. On this wall also, we have a QSys camera. This is our conference section. We have a QSys Teams room being powered by an LG touch display. We have our Lona switching components and a Logitech Meetup 2. This is the other section of our conferencing. We have a Logitech Tap using a Page 2 flip with a Sony display, flanked by two JBL speakers. We have Energy switching and showcasing an AMX control system. Other accessories include a Logitech Tap, IP, Hudley room booking, a Nook compute, and a Shure wireless mic system. Thanks again. My name is Nathan Wheeler. For more information, you can visit adiglobal.com.